I don't have to worry about the shipping. I don't have to worry about the handling. I don't have to worry about the customer service. I don't have to worry about none of that. And I only talk about stuff that has like, if unless I'm like obsessed with it or something and it has like a 3.8, it's only like, I'm like, no, that's weird. I really love this product. But other than that, my goal is to only talk about stuff that's 4.0 stars and up, preferably 4.50 stars and up. But you know, you have to leave some grace for like just people's own opinions, different opinions. All these products I would have bought anyway, like the underwear, the dress, sweatshirts, like just all this stuff. Everything on here is what Ciana Singh would have bought anyway. Technically, the second that I received that sample and I got approved, a couple people start reaching, because right when you get approved, sellers can see that, oh, there's a new person that is available for affiliate marketing. So then they reach out to you and they're like, hey, do you want to talk about my microphone business, like my microphone products? Cool. I love making content. Yes, I do. Send it to me. Boom. So I would have bought this anyway because you guys know I have a YouTube channel. I have other social media, even though, well, whatever, I'll talk about this later, but I would have gotten a microphone like this anyway. Right? I automatically made money because I didn't have to buy this. So I got to keep that money and do something else with it and put it into an investing account, you know, put it away for a rainy day, put it into an emergency account. So I saved $50, right? So I've even done stuff like toiletry stuff. So I've even gotten wipes, makeup wipe. What are some other stuff that I use like on a daily basis? I've gotten toothpaste. I've gotten oil pulling products. I've gotten hair products. You know, you run out, you have to get more. So stuff that we generally run out of, I order that stuff as samples. So even if I didn't make $1, even if I just like, I wasn't good at talking about the products, people just scrolled past, which 80% of people do. Like some of my posts, I'll get like 100 views. And then randomly one will do a pop to 10,000 views, 20,000 views. You know, maybe every 20 posts I do, I go up to, you know, I'll get a 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 views. But if you were to look at all the ones from before, it's only like 200, 300, 400. So it's fine, right? So you automatically start making money because you get to save the money that you already would have spent. So let's just say you make $5,000 a month from a 9-to-5 job and you spend about $500 a month on reoccurring expenses that you have to buy, like body care stuff, hair, toothpaste, even hair extensions. I don't know, whatever you're into. What else? Just everything that, you know, goes, you know, if you get your nails done, whatever. People have sent me nails, press-on nails that are bomb. I haven't had to go get my nails done. I love getting my nails done, but I've been able to, that's one of the reasons why, I'm going to talk about it in another video, but that's one of the reasons why I got out of debt this year, because I wasn't spending $200 a month. I mean, sometimes, I don't know what I was thinking, but even $300, because I would do like the whole thing, like my nails, my toes, get the deluxe, everything. You know, I really want them to take time. I want them to do all that. So I was saving $200 to $300 extra a month that I could put into an investing account. And then when you put money to an investing account, you're obviously making money on that. So no matter what, because people were sending me, you know, nails, hair care, face care, toothbrushes, all that, I automatically was saving money. So I didn't even have to necessarily make $1 on TikTok, and I would have saved. So like back to the example, if you make $5,000 a month for a 9-to-5, but say your expenses every month are $500 for beauty care and body care and health and like hygiene care, you can request those things as samples. Like I've gotten laundry detergent, dryer sheets, talk about the dryer sheets. Like it's stuff that I would have bought anyway. Yeah, nail salon visits can be super expensive. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I do love to get pampered, and it's just like fun to go in there and like listen to your music and just kind of like be in a vibe. I still get my toes done. I don't have time to like do my toes and like I still get my toes done, but I cut the cost like down by 60% by not getting my nails. I think I got my nails done maybe twice this year, and I was doing it every, 2 weeks, sometimes a week and a half, if I broke a nail or whatever, right? Also to make sure to like the video if you're in here, so it can get out to other people that want to learn how to make money as an affiliate marketer. And if you're like, okay, well, I'll use my mom as an example. I've like really encouraged her to just start on her own journey because she loves, being on social media. She loves decorating. She loves cooking. She loves doing all these things. So it's like, why wouldn't you just start this journey? So I have on my other page, my Ciana Singh TikTok. I have 3 different TikToks, but my Ciana Singh TikTok, I literally got 10,000 followers within a matter of 2 days because I posted a video of me and my grandma, and it went viral. Okay, like me and my grandma were like, remember this dance or whatever? I don't know what it's called anymore, but I was doing that with my grandma and it went viral. You can go viral. Like the TikTok algorithm is the best algorithm, in my opinion, and what other people say too, out of all of them, because something about it, it just is it seems like the algorithm is on your side. Like when you post something, it seems like it gives your post a real fighting chance to like get out there. It doesn't like discriminate with, oh, is this person famous? Is this person, I'm sure there's some of that in there, but like I feel like for everyday people like me and you, it's like there's a fighting chance to be able to like do a pop, get a bunch of followers, then you can get it. All you need is to be 18 and over, 5,000 followers. Some people only 1,000 followers, and you can apply. And if as long as you don't have any violations on your page, which hopefully you don't, and you're good to go. So with my mom, like she's super encouraged now just to just start it, because it's like you're on here anyway. So why wouldn't you just be posting, really helping people with something that like all you have to do is have one problem that you're really good at solving. So you can make your whole TikTok just about 1 or 2 things, maybe like 3 to 5 things. I even need to niche down a little bit because I'm kind of all over. Like I said, I've gotten over 1,000 free samples because I'm like, I'm just gonna request things I actually would buy and just save on not having to spend the money. So being able to get those samples, not getting my nails done, saving on face care, skincare, makeup, like eyeliner, stuff like that. Like there's some staples that I just are not on TikTok Shop, like certain MAC products, like the luxury brands like Estee Lauder, Chanel makeup, all that stuff, that I have to still go buy. But like some things I'm like, it's not that serious. Like, or I can have makeup that I can, like my everyday makeup, and then I can save my more luxury makeup for when I go to events and stuff like that. So then it ends up still saving me in the long run because I can time out or push out having to rebuy those things. So do you see what I'm saying? It's like you could technically start making, the second you have a TikTok shop, you can technically start making money that day, specifically because you do not have to pay for something that you would have already bought. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. So the samples, just to do like a quick mini recap, and then posting the samples that I get from TikTok, reposting them on my other platforms, and attaching the Amazon link, and not pushing TikTok. Because again, I don't know what's going to happen with TikTok, right? And then what I'll do is I'll also encourage people to sign up with my email list, because I even want to be connected with you guys on my own, and shoot you guys emails from my personal phone and just say, hey guys, what's up? I just, I'm going live in a little bit, tap in with me, right? Like I want to be able to be connected straight with you. So, and maybe I'm talking about this and I'm like, oh, by the way, right? So there's so many things and angles that you can do. Also, if you're like, I don't really want to be an affiliate marketer, I don't really want to talk about other people's products, I don't want to do that. Okay. You can actually start your TikTok, I believe. Do more research on this part, because I don't have my own store. Like I don't have physical products that I want to sell yet. I do want to sell like dope sweatshirts and workout outfits and cute tank tops and stuff with Embody Pursuit on it in the future. But other than that, I just have my digital product, right? My ebook guide. So, but if you have a product that's a physical product and you're trying to get it sold, you can open up a TikTok shop and immediately start selling. I believe you can just open a TikTok shop, like type in TikTok seller account online, like if you go in Safari or in the Google search bar, TikTok seller account, and it should take you to an area where you can sign up just to be a TikTok seller. And you like, say if you sell mugs, you can sell your mugs on there. And then what happens is you end up getting affiliate marketers like me to sell it for you. So people have made money like that where they're just like, they're okay with doing the back of house and maybe a couple postings without their face in it or anything like that. Like there's so many, oh my gosh, you guys, do I have some of my, it's like way far back, but like, okay, let me show you. Like this is just my hand. And it has over almost 800,000 views. My face is not in it. So like, if you're like, I don't want to be on camera, I don't want to do my makeup, I have skin issues, I have, trust me, I have all those insecurities all the time as well. My face feels puffy, you know, I'm just not feeling it today, or I can't talk, or I feel like I sound weird. You can even like just do music and words and make sales. If you know, if you do a good job, like with just hooking people in with the words that you're saying. 800,000 just from my hand. Like, and then you can imagine the sales that got generated off of that, right? So, but then not all of them are a hit. Like some of them, you know, like this is my whole page, but some of them are like 300 views, 600 views. And then one did like a little mini pop right now of 1,500. I'm talking about like this thing that like, it shows you how much radiation is coming off the microwave, which is really cool. We all know that already, but to see it, like how far you have to be really away from it before you're out of the zone. You have to be like 6 feet away. So anyways, there's some like that. I wasn't in the market for that. Someone wanted to send it to me, and then I ended up falling in love with it. So it's just fun. It's just fun to be on the TikTok shop as an affiliate marketer. Like, why not? Like, even if you have a 9-to-5, you never plan on going away from your 9-to-5. Say you're a doctor. You never plan on not being a doctor. But like, to me, like the people that are doctors, lawyers, have PhDs in a one specific industry or profession, those pages blow up within a month because they already have these credentials and the social proof for the fact that they're board certified, right? So if you're board certified, everybody's going to listen to whatever you say because you're board certified. And you know that you're not, most people know that if you're board certified and you're talking about something, you're not going to just be giving out whack information because you could get your license taken away, you know? So if you're a dermatologist, oh my gosh, dermatologists. So I don't know why anyone like that would be listening to little old me, but if you're in a profession, if you're a nurse, even if you're like a librarian, you know, talking about the, you know, best books that are out there, the TikTok shop sells books. Your whole page could be like what you do right now. There's like 10 products at your job right now that you're almost basically an expert at because you use them every day. So it could be a pen. It could be the best notebooks. It could be not just a pen, but the perfect quality pen that like writes super smooth, right? That lasts for a long time. That's a great, it's half off, you know, on the TikTok shop, right? So the possibilities are endless. And so then you end up, you know, you may even be so motivated and inspired by selling other people's products, being an affiliate marketer, that you end up creating your own product, right? On the side. So I have gone really hard on the 9-to-5, like get away from 9-to-5. But you know what? I've like matured with that a little bit. And I think if you love your job, I think that's awesome. If you want to have more income, you are going to have to do some, unless you have, you know, bonuses or like, you know, endless bonus opportunities, you know, with the 9-to-5, which typically most people don't. It's just like maybe you get a 5% raise, a 10% raise, right? So you're going to have multiple streams of income. You are, because inflation is crazy. Obviously, it's an election year, so inflation, groceries, gas, taxes, just going to be volatile. You know, who knows what's going to happen. And um, a lot of people's student loans, like I had a student loan. It was a small little credit card I used to like use in the dorms. And that like during COVID, it went into, what is it called? A deferment or something like that. Because of COVID, they like, you know, how they had all those like special deals, special programs. And so I didn't have to pay that. And so then once that got paid in or kicked back in, I just used the sales from TikTok shop to pay that off. Like that's how I became debt free, was a few things. And I've talked about them in other videos, but in this one specifically, actually I started a playlist that says, uh, what's it called? Um, let me see what it's called. But I did start a playlist just talking about kind of like tips and tricks on how to like be debt free, and like have, it's not that serious. It's like it can be really overwhelming, but like I feel like the way that I ended up becoming debt free was just super chill and not overwhelming. And I think that it can be very intimidating. Oh, Essence Earnings. So the reason why I called it Essence Earnings, it's called Essence. So if you go to my playlist, Essence Earnings, and there's 5 videos so far that are just talking about ways to make money, ways to get a couple extra bucks, ways to have some passive income, ways to, you know, just encourage you to get in the stock market if you're not. And I also want to hear what you guys do too, because I know you guys are way better at in a lot of areas than I am too. Like I want to bounce ideas off of each other. If you guys have become debt free, or if there's other ways to make money on the side that you want to share in the comments that other people are going to see. I think it's super important that we all kind of like band together and lean on each other with talking about real things. That's why I like to go live. I like to go live because I know sometimes people can do like 10 tips for making passive money online. And like, you don't, I want to feel like most of those people are being genuine, but you really just don't know. Oh, a beautiful flock of birds just went by. But you really just don't know if they're just getting it from ChatGPT and then they're just listing it off. And yeah, it's good information because it's technically, yeah, you can make passive income, but did you actually make any income doing it? Like, do you have any experience doing it? A lot of times people will just package up what other people are saying and then have a viral YouTube about it. And then there's no like, we're not elaborating about it. We're not really digging in. We're not really like bouncing ideas off of each other. So I do other videos where I just post, you know, like a 10-minute, 15-minute video, but I typically like to be on live long to really talk about it. So I've been learning about velocity banking to get out of credit card debt. Ooh, really excited about starting. Oh, wow. I'm literally gonna write that down. What is that? Velocity banking. I've never heard of that. So boom, you just put me on. I wonder if you can sell digital products in your, okay, you know what? So, Christy Van. Okay, I will. You know what? So I'm gonna reach out to them about that because from what I've seen, everything's physical products. It's all physical. It's not like you can like click something and then download it. So I've been having to funnel people into my website or like my link down below, you know, get my ebook in the link down below on how to like lose fat, you know, off your body. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reach out to them about that. Because I just haven't seen it. Like out of all the sellers I've been involved with, I've never seen anybody sell a digital product where you just download it and you just like upload it to your book or whatever. There are others who talk about it on YouTube, but she's really, really good. Okay, awesome. I would like to have a faceless TikTok or YouTube. Yes. You know, my mom is that's what she's doing. My mom is doing a faceless YouTube channel. And my mom has a very beautiful voice. So I'm trying to encourage her to at least do like talk over it, but she's just going to do music and decorating ideas. And then, you know, who knows what that's going to look like? Because she's like, well, I've been looking at all these decorating videos, and my mom's obsessed with them because she just loves like the art of interior design.